All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now going to the next slide, Pushpal, I just wanted to ask you one question. Please answer this question. That is, you must have heard about stomata, right? When and how does the stomata open and close? Can you answer this question, Pushpal?
No.
Sorry, you would not be able to take the question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Priscilla, tell me.
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
There is this stomata which is surrounded by two guard cells. When does the stomata open and close, and why does it open and close?
Ma'am, it opens during the day, and when the day is coming to an end, it will close.
And why does it happen so?
Ma'am, because it helps in the exchange of gases, of respiratory gases, and the trapping of sunlight.
Yes, partially you're correct, Priscilla, because during when photosynthesis has to happen, it has to keep itself open so that it can, so that it can take carbon dioxide. But one more role, of the stomata to open or close, if you remember, the others in the class, we had shown a picture of an open stomata and a closed stomata. And we had studied that a stomata also helps in, protecting the plant to build its turgidity. It does not help it to lose water. When it is very hot outside, the stomata will close so that there is no loss of water, right? So that the leaf is supple. I will give you a very classic example. That is, for example, you have a plant in your garden. Okay. If you have a plant in your garden and you don't water the plant, what will happen? You don't water the plant. Yes, Shashwat, tell me what will happen to the plant? Yes, it will get dry. The plant will get dry because, but it will get dry after 2 or 3 days. It will wither. The leaves will wither. First, the leaves will wither. Then the stem will wither. And at the end, the root will dry up. Why? See, the first 2-3 days, the stomata will remain closed. Yes, of course, no nutrients are passing, but also though no water is passing. First, what happens is that it will keep its stomata closed so that there is no loss of water, because anyways we are not watering the plant. And if it opens its stomata, more water will go out by this heat. So it will close its stomata. So day 1, day 2, it will not dry, it will not wither. From day 3 onwards, it will start, withering. Priscilla, stiffness in case of plants is basically turgidity. Turgidity of plants are actually built by the guard cells, the vacuoles. The vacuoles store a lot of water in them. That actually makes the leaf turgid. Turgid means filled with water, stiff. I'll just give you an example. If you, if you just press your nails into the leaf, you will find a little water-like substance coming out, right? So that is basically how leaves store water within them. That is because the leaves were turgid. That's why it had stored water. Karthik, I must appreciate you have actually off the track question, but still I'll answer. What will happen if a bird eat half leaf? Will it grow? No. If the leaf is not vegetative, it will not grow. But if it is a vegetative leaf, then the leaf will again grow into a full leaf. There are chances, but less. But 99% of the times, that leaf which has been eaten will not grow. That leaf will remain like that, half eaten, will be brownish in color at the end.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Unmana, I did not understand which definition are you asking for. Turgidity. Turgidity, definition of turgidity. Turgidity, it's basically the capacity of the leaf, not only of the leaf, also of the stem, to retain water within itself is called turgidity of leaf or the stem. That's turgidity. To maintain a particular pressure within it and to retain water in it. That's turgidity. and the spelling would be Turgid, turgid.